So this project is we'll be learning about how to host a static website using Nginx web server. So Nginx is a web server that allows receive web requests and send web requests. So going forward, first thing first, we are going to open our EC2 instance. We are going to launch our EC2 instance. So type EC2 in your dashboard, click on it. So presently we are in our EC2 dashboard. So the next thing we are going to do here is to launch an instance. So see where launch instance is being. So we'll click on launch instance. So right now, so we have to give a name to our instance. So the name I'll give an Nginx web server just to correspond with the project we are doing. So Nginx web server is the name we are giving for this instance. Going for our application and OS image and machine image, we use Ubuntu, and we'll make sure that we're using the free tier Ubuntu AMI. So yes, free. Yes, free. So for our instance test, we'll be using T2 Micro. T2 Micro, yes. So the next we are going to do here, we're going to create a new keeper. So we'll be creating a new keeper. So we'll click on create. So the keeper name, we'll give it DevOps. So let's give DevOps as our keeper name. Then we'll make sure we're using PEM, which will allow us to SSH into it. So let's create this keeper. Click on create keeper. So it has downloaded. See, downloaded. So the next thing, for our network setting, we are going to allow HTTP traffic from the internet and also allow HTTP traffic from the internet so that our instance can be accessed from the internet. So we launch instance. Click on launch instance. So it's launching instance. Instance is being launched. So we have successfully launched an instance. So next, let's go to our instance. Click on instances. So see, our instance has been launched. So next we're going to check our status check. For our status check, it's still initializing, so we refresh the page. It's still initializing. So let's just try refreshing the page again. Refresh. It's still initializing. Let me refresh. Still initializing. So I'll just, because I want it to show 2 check pass, so let me just keep refreshing. Still refreshing. Still initializing. Wow. Refresh. Initializing. Okay. Still initializing. Still initializing. Still initializing. So let's just connect into this instance. So I refresh, it's still initializing. So we still initializing. Still initializing. Refreshing. Initializing. Refreshing. Initializing. So we'll come back to that. Let's just connect it to our instance. So here we'll copy the SSH. So we'll copy the command to SSH. That means to connect into our instance. So let's open our file manager on local PC. Go to download. So see devos.pem. Here it's downloaded. So just right click, open in terminal. So Control V, paste. Oh, I made a mistake. So let me cancel this. Paste again. Okay. Enter. So yes, we want to connect. Yes. Oh, permission denied. So let's sudo into this. Sudo Control V. Let me cancel this. Sudo Control V, paste. So let me just type in my password. So password be typed. Press OK. Yes, connect. Good. So we have connected to our instance. So we are good to go. So let's go back to our dashboard. So go back to our instance. Check our status. Check. Refreshing. Don't tell me. Okay, yes. 2/2 check passed. So 2/2 check pass. So next we have to do, we are going to Elastic IP in network and security. So here we are going to allocate a new Elastic IP address. So yeah, allocate, click on allocate. It's allocating. So let us, this new IP address be allocated. Let us associate it to one instance. So this is our instance that is running Nginx web server. So click on it. Wait, let me check something. Okay, it's correct. So let us go back. Let us associate it. So click on click on actions. So let me click on actions, then associate Elastic IP address. Okay, we're good to go. So we'll choose our instance back again, Nginx web server, then we associate. So Elastic IP address has been associated successfully, so we are good to go. So since we have changed the IP address of our instance, we have to cancel this terminal. Yes, we'll close it. Then we have to SSH back again because we have changed the IP address of our instance. So we'll click on instance. So you see the address. We'll copy it. No, I'm not copying it. I'm just showing that. So we'll go to connect to instance again. Copy our command, our SSH command. Go to this, open in terminal. Right click, open terminal. Sudo Control V. Click yes. So I'm typing my password. Okay. Yes. So we have connected to this instance. So the next we have to do is to update this system. Sudo apt update. spell it wrong. No, why it's supposed to be U. Sudo apt update. So it's updating. Okay, we're good to go. It's updated. Next, sudo apt upgrade. We're going to upgrade the system. Upgrade. Sudo apt upgrade. Okay, 184 additional X. Y. Click on Y. So it's upgrading. Progress 40%. Progress 49%. Upgrading 65, 73, 78, 82, 85%, 88%, 98%. Still upgrading. Also, we are good to go. We have updated the system. Next thing now we have to install Nginx. So click sudo apt install Nginx. Yeah, Y. Click on your Y. Yes, we have to continue. So I've installed Nginx to this server. So next thing is to copy the IP address. Let us type it into our. So welcome to Nginx. So we have successfully installed Nginx to our web server, to our Ubuntu server. So EC2 server. So basically it's working. Nginx has been installed successfully. So let us go back. So now let us download a website template from template. So I'll be using the So I'll be using the wedding light template and web HTML template for this project. Wedding light. So yes, so this is it. Wedding light. So let's scroll down to where download this. So there. So we had said we have to click on inspect. We'll go to the network tab. Then let's download. This is downloading. So we find it here, the zip file of this. Yeah, so here is it. Okay, we're looking for the zip file. So yeah, see it here. So we are going to right click, copy. We're going to copy the URL of this page. So we're going to paste it here. We're going to copy this. Yes. Then we're going to delete the other one and replace it with this one that we have copied. So what we're basically doing is that this command is going to help us to download this HTML folder or directory directly from the internet because of the call command which helps us to download sudo call. So paste it in. So first, before we download it from our terminal, our Ubuntu server, first let me just copy this. Then I will go to my terminal. Then I will download the unzip app of that will help us to unzip this folder. So first, let's download unzip. Sudo install unzip. Sudo apt install unzip. Invalid operation. So let's try sudo install zip. Still making an error. What's the error? I did not spell my install correctly. I wrote install, sudo apt install. So I'll be spelling to sudo apt install. I can't believe that I made a mistake spelling install as install. Sudo apt install unzip. Yeah, so it worked. So I've done that. Next, we'll paste what we copied. This, we will copy it, paste it here, paste. So it's downloading. Since it has downloaded, so let us go into that directory where it was downloaded. So cd, that means to change directory, into the directory. So you can find the zip folder, the zip directory folder is present here. It has been successfully downloaded. So now let us unzip this zip folder or directory. Sudo unzip. So the folder has been unzipped. So if I take ls, you can find out that the wedding light folder has been unzipped. You see? So yes, that's it. So the next thing I'm going to do is that we are going to change the Nginx configuration. So we are going to copy this command sudo nano into the Nginx configuration. So we enter the default configuration. So we'll go down, come to where root is. We'll make mistake, so we'll copy that 221. The reason why we are copying it and we are not adding the .zip because we want it to refer to the folder that have been unzipped, not the one that is still in zip form. So we'll copy just that. So made a mistake, so let me just scroll down to where I was before. So yeah, good. So just paste it here. Yes, so we have made changes to the Nginx configuration. So we'll see here, so we'll save the app update. So to fully make the changes to be working, we have to restart Nginx. So we'll do sudo systemctl restart Nginx. Systemctl restart Nginx. No, spelled wrongly about systemctl. Systemctl. So we spell sudo, not sudo, sudo systemctl restart Nginx. So let's go back to our browser where our Nginx IP address was. So we will refresh, reload this page. Good. So voila, it worked. I love that it starts with this love icon. It worked. Beautiful. So that's it for this project, static website hosting with Nginx web server. So that's it.